racing. Mark from On Empire's here. Brought some t-shirts up, just made a couple of sales, so which is good. Blake's next to me here. Got the car off, had to change some wheels. Mark's in here charging his phone. And yeah, Mark's in here and we're yeah, gonna do it all again. So one thing I have changed are the engine mounts when we took it to, so boys at Mick and Pavlou's, at Paul Pavlou's, they went over it, seemed to be doing all right. I don't think they put the safety features back on it and all that sort of stuff, but other than that, I think it's going all right. But yeah, so Jace from Tough Mounts has given me some of his engine mounts, which is good of him. So they're down there, which is all good. So it should be a bit stiffer, I think. He reckons that'll help me shift gears because I need all the help I can get. Actually, that is one thing I need to look at, the little bolt on the shifter. So I'll have a quick look at that and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're in line. I think there might have been a bit of cleanup or something on the track, so we're just chilling here and about to get in underway. First sort of run. Always nervous at this part because I don't know what this thing's going to dish up. I couldn't find my other helmet, so I'm running with this one. I'm going to try this angle, see what this looks like too. Mark is obviously my cameraman, but let's do it. There we go, first run. It's actually really good. I think I got done by a bumper though, but sort of like laid over, like was breaking up in third, but then once I got into fourth I sort of started to come around him, but just ran out of real estate. But as they say, it's on why I'm in the lingo and all that. But yeah, no, I'm just waiting, lining up again, let it roll down. But some fast cars out here. Just gonna, yeah, keep it rolling. So I thought that first corner was like the corner was supposed to take, because last weekend I was here and I was doing the V8 supercar like hot lap in the Mustang driving, and that was our braking corner. So we're at top and fourth, and that corner's come up and I thought it was the first one, and yeah, we locked up. And I was just like, what the hell? I've missed that corner by a mile, and then we come up just over the hill a little bit, and then there's the next one. Alright, back to line up for round 2, or practice 2.
around this big block ESP.
Chasing being the key word.
Yeah, we're following this guy down the track. Right, we're about to run this XE. This guy's dad bought it brand new, and it's now got a 570 big block in it. It is so tough, runs high nines. Or mid nines maybe. Mid nines. Sorry, mid nines. Sorry guy.
Get your shit right. Alright mate, calm down. Racing Rooster again. See how this goes.
2 boosted LS's.
I went a little bit early.
And you still got beaten?
Still got done.
Manual. You're up to 6K then?
Yeah.
elimination final. Well, first elimination, that's all it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lining up for the first elimination.
Is that on? Can you see? Alright, here we go. First elimination.
First run up against the GDS here. Past the first round. Hopefully we don't get another fast car.
It's the luck of the draw, seriously.
It's full on luck. Hopefully we get that Festiva.
No one's that lucky.
Alright, looks like round 2 up against the Datto 180B. Early.
It just didn't, that's what I mean, it spluttered.
He just was coughing and farting, eh? That thing's freaking quick, man.
This is like, these tyres are fucked, I reckon.
Tyres?
Yeah. G'day guys, I'm going to end that clip there. I was too busy enjoying myself, watching some roll racing and going to get some food to do a sign off, so just thought I'd do it now. Also, I've got some new tees coming, some new designs, and also hats, new hats that I actually really like, and they'll be coming in the next couple of weeks. And I'm not going to get a chance to get to the next roll racing, but hopefully the one after that I'll be out of there with maybe a couple of changes to the Monaro. So stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting. Cheers guys, peace.